VideoInspector 3DL by Laserliner, the inspection system for especially tight and hard-to-reach places. The probe, with a diameter of just 6 mm and a length of 2 meters, reaches even extremely narrow and deep areas, ideal for precise inspections. The 3D joystick allows precise positioning of the camera head for full control from any perspective. The 1/4 inch thread allows the video inspector to be securely and flexibly mounted. Photos and videos can be stored directly via USB-C or microSD card. The compact 6 mm camera head with 8 bright LEDs provides clear visibility even in the tightest areas. The display provides a sharp, clear image. All image captures are documented in the media gallery with date and timestamps. The magnetic base provides a secure hold, leaving both hands free to work with the 2-meter-long probe. Zoom and image rotation allow the view to be adjusted flexibly for optimal visibility from any angle. The probe can be easily replaced for use with additional compatible camera units from the Laserliner Video Inspector system. The Laserliner Video Inspector system offers a wide range of combinations, providing the right solution for every inspection task. VideoInspector 3DL by Laserliner, ideal for hard-to-reach places.